While it's unlikely you'll find YouTube title writing jobs specifically paying €5 a day, the concept of profiting from creating online content is definitely a trend. Here's a breakdown of the reality and some alternative parts. The reality of YouTube title writing rates. Freelance rates. For freelance title writing, rates typically range from $10.50 per title, depending on the complexity, channel size, and your experience. Earning $5 a day would require a high volume of titles and established connections. Staff writer role. Some larger YouTube channels might have salaried staff writers, but these positions are less common and likely require broader content creation skills beyond titles. Alternative paths to consider. Freelance YouTube content creation, instead of just titles, offer a wider range of services like scriptwriting, SEO optimization, or even video editing. This can increase your earning potential. Build your own YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular niche, consider starting your own YouTube channel. With enough subscribers and views, you can generate revenue through ads and sponsorships. Become a YouTube consultant. As you gain experience, you can offer consulting services to YouTubers, helping them with channel growth strategies that go beyond just titles. Here are some resources to get you started. Freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, YouTube Creator Academy, https://channel/uckr4vrz2e7b6sbt7bq. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare offer courses on YouTube content creation. Important note, focus on value, not just pay. While income is important, prioritize building valuable skills and a strong portfolio in the online content creation field. This will lead to more sustainable success in the long run. The future of work definitely involves online content creation, but it's important to have realistic expectations and a broader skill set. Start by building your knowledge and exploring these alternative paths to create a more viable career in the YouTube content creation space.